objective of tonight is just to try a different microphone in my helmet, and after a day of meetings, I mean really crap quality meetings. Heron, what a beautiful bird that is. On a single track highway, and we'll go see where this leads. I don't want to scare the dog. Thank you so much. Well, we didn't go far, and she's still popping and banging. I do hope that fuel's not to blame. I knew I was chancing it, but look, that's the Great River Ouse on one of the last bends before it gets to... let's just check what we've got going on. I might have a puck in here. No. An SAE lead. I bet I've emptied it, haven't I? Oh no, look at that 3D printed puck. Can't get much bigger than that. Let's put it that way on, and that'll give me a less of a drop. And we'll put my gloves on. If you're beady-eyed and you can see this, they're R&S. Very good value. Check out, like, I'll put the link on, about 20 something pound each, an awful lot better. Lovely. I am blessed to live in a nice area.